Does it say recording?
Uh-huh. Oh, now he's having little itty-bitty ones.
Yep. We got one good one in there. Poor Dominic has the hiccups.
I can't believe that. You shove a camera in his face and then they quiet down. They're
Right?
all normal.
I think they just stopped. And now he's going to sleep. Nope. There we go. He looked like he had a look of relief, like, oh, they're over, and then, oh, damn. He's like, this is your fault. He's looking at me like, this is your fault. What did you do? He's giving me these big eyes. He does not like to eat.
Bad baby.
Now he's gonna smile like, oh, oh.
I wonder if he has another gas bubble.
Uh-oh. Oh, he's still hiccuping. I can feel his whole body move.
You should see him hiccup when he's sitting upright.
Oh, should I move him upright?
If you want to.
I don't want to torment the child, but... You okay?
He's not happy anyway, so...
Yeah, that's true. You okay? No, I'm not okay. Oh my god, he's so cute.
He looks like one of those wacky, fun, flailing...
Yeah.
I don't know what they're called, but...
Oh, those like things that move in the... He does.
You could be a car salesman, honey.
I love when he sticks his tongue out like that. Reminds me of Spotty.
Did he just poop?
No,
Oh.
I don't think so. I think it was just another bad hiccup. Oh, angry baby is angry.
Okay, I'm gonna stop this. Stop
Okay.
it.
Oh, just press the button again.
Oh, okay.